Mr. Davis, I mean you.
What in the world is going on here?
There are 43 students here to see you.
Sorry, Mr. Davis. Guess you can't hide behind your desk jockey watchdog now.
Watchdog!
Okay. Miss Dawson, what is the meaning of this?
This is what happens when you try to avoid the student body. If you had met with us yesterday, we never would...
Avoid you? I went home sick yesterday.
Then why did that light turn on in your office if you were homesick?
Oh, the sun lamp for my fern? It's on a timer.
Liar. Hey, who said that?
In any case, we feel it's totally unfair that you took away Tex Fest.
Yeah, we look forward to it all year.
It's just plain untexting you to cancel it.
Mr. Davis, we're not leaving here until we get some answers.
That's right.
I canceled Tex Fest because we didn't have the money this year.
Oh, yeah? And where did the money go? To pay for that fancy sun lamp timer for your ferns?
Ouch. Burn, burn.
I understand you're upset, but I suggest we discuss this privately.
Why? Do you have something to hide?
Miss Dawson?
We're not leaving here until we get the truth.
All right. Tex Fest was canceled this year because the money that would have gone to it went for that new football field and all that new equipment y'all been asking for.
What?
We killed Tex Fest?
Yep, you did. Disperse, or I will give the whole school detention. Thank goodness that worked. I cannot give the whole school detention.
You can't? Good to know.
Listen, I'm sorry I kept the team in the dark, but this is exactly the kind of chaos I was trying to avoid.
I don't get it. Why did the school spend that much money on the team if it meant cutting Tex Fest?
Well, it was a tough choice, but I knew how much the team wanted that new equipment. Otherwise, you wouldn't have sent me all those emails with Newt's picture in them.
Curse my adorable face.
Okay, well then we'll give our equipment up. We'll return it and use the money to bring back Tex Fest.
Whoa, hey now. Let's not go crazy here, Bella. We need that new equipment.
Do we really need parachutes and football throwing machines?
Well, when you say it in that tone, everything sounds ridiculous. Do we really need oxygen? See what I'm saying?
Look, it's too late. I can't return used equipment. Just give it some time. I'm sure all will be forgotten by next Tex Fest. What do we have here?
It's a Tex Fest fundraiser, and we have made more than enough money to bring it back. Right, Newt?
Including tips, we've raised $2,435.
Woo! How's the free car wash sound, Mr. D?
Well, I do appreciate your efforts, but Tex Fest cost the school about 5 times that amount. Sorry, kids. Tex Fest is not happening. But I will take that free car wash. For real? Hey, what about my free car wash? Oh, man.